cheese, guys. This is my yummy chicken pineapple breakfast with sunny side up egg and avocado and mayonnaise and cheesy. This is a cheese, not a tortilla. It's a cheese. So we will try what it tastes like. I got this a cooking video from Sachoy. Cheese. The big one. Look at this. Ooh. Look at this cheese. And then I'm going to get a chicken and pineapple at the same time. Wait. Ayan. And then I'm gonna fold. And then I'm gonna fold like this. So this is a chicken and pineapple cheese. Cheesy chicken pineapple. Avocado. Cheese. This is tastes so good. Thank you for Sachoy that's sharing this recipe. Thanks for watching, guys.